Hey everyone, Amrita from Waldium here. Let's dive into setting up a complete autonomous blog for a sample company called PropWald, which is a property management firm that wants to automate their content function. So right here you're seeing that Waldium AI is researching PropWald's market, analyzing competitors, extracting a brand identity, profiling target customers, and generating a content strategy, all happening automatically under the hood. PropWald's blog is now live. Let's customize how it looks. Here in the customize page, you can pick a different layout or font family, update the colors, select dark mode. Really, you can make this blog look like your own. Next, we can connect your custom domains. So we can come over to the domains page here and we can add a name like insights.propwald.com or whatever subdomain you'd like. And here you can now add the CNAME record to your DNS provider, and voila, your blog lives on your custom domain. Now let's set up autonomous publishing. So here you can set up a content schedule. You can pick if you want your blog to be default published or unlisted or draft. You can select who on your team should get a notification, select a content schedule, and hit save. And once you have this, you'll get a new blog post draft that's based on your company's knowledge and research that shows up in your inbox on this schedule. So that's the automation side. Now let's see the actual post creation and how the content is generated and edited before it goes live. So let's take one of the examples here. We'll go and say top 10 tips for finding a rental in Seattle, and you can customize any post options here or hit generate post. So here you can see this post got generated. You can use this AI editor to make improvements to the content as you want. And once you've had a chance to review and make any edits, and do that here. We can say find a house. We can now you can hit publish, and once you've done that, you can actually see that your post is live on the blog. So this post was generated in just one voice, but you can also create multiple author personas as well, each with their own personality and writing style. So let's set that up here. We can hit add author, give this person a name. We can say he's a property expert and he's friendly and practical. And we can come in and select a photo. Perfect. And add author. So now when you generate content, you can choose which author voice to use, and each one writes differently, so this can make your content seem more organic and more authentic. So the content's flowing. The authors are set. Now, how do we actually measure if this is moving the needle for you? And we want to see not just traffic, but understand which content is actually driving signups, which topics your audience cares about, and what's working. So this analytics page here shows not only posts over time, but also top categories, adoption metrics, and traffic sources. So you can kind of get a sense for where is your traffic coming from? Is it from ChatGPT or search or social? Understand the reader geographies. This feedback loop is then what's used to tell Waldium what content to generate next. Finally, just want to touch on a couple of ways that you can use Waldium within your existing workflow. So you can either generate an API key here to trigger content from Slack or Zapier, or set up webhook notifications. So every time your post publishes, you can get a notification. And that's really it. PropWald now has an autonomous blog, and you can try Waldium for free today at waldium.com. Thanks for watching.